Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to automatically filter and trash emails on Gmail in this full 2026 guide. If your inbox keeps filling up with newsletters, promos, or spammy messages, yeah, this little automation is going to save you a ton of time. First, open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right. Then choose See All Settings. Go to the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where all your automation rules are stored. Now click Create a new filter. Here, you can target emails using the sender, the subject, or keywords, whatever you want to automatically remove. If you want to auto-trash a specific sender, type their email into the From box, or you can use a keyword like unsubscribe if you're cleaning up promotions. Next, click Create Filter and check the action that says Delete It. That tells Gmail to send those emails straight to the trash. If you want older emails gone too, check the box that says also apply filter to matching conversations. Hit Create Filter to save everything. From now on, any messages that match your rule will skip your inbox and go directly to trash. And if you ever need to edit or remove the filter, just return to the Filters tab. Easy, and that's it. Your Gmail is now automated to clean itself. Hope this helped. Hey everyone!